Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Otter.ai with Zoom. It's very easy to do. For this, first open your browser and go to otter.ai.com. Then log into your account. If you don't have account, then create a new one. It's free. So then after login, you will see the home page. From here, just select apps. In the app section you will see a bunch of options: Slack, Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoom, Dropbox, Google. So from here we will select Zoom to add. Then now enter your Zoom email and password, sign in, or you can also sign in with SSO, Apple, Google, Facebook. So I'm selecting Google. Now from here just click here to allow this app to use your shared access permission. Then select allow. So you will see the meeting option here, and you can also record it by Zoom, and that's it. That's how you can use Otter.ai with Zoom.